What are you doing?
Well, I went to see a financial advisor this morning, and he told me I needed to start eating dirt.
Why?
Because there was money in real estate. And he convinced me that I might have a little bit of a drinking problem. And he said I was just pissing money away.
My gosh. Alright, we're loaded up and we're headed to the recycling center, our scrap yard. See how much these Diet Pepsi and Sprite Zero cans bring. Y'all hang on.
Okay.
Big money, big money.
Who guessed how much it weighed, and who guessed how much we're going to make off of it? Put your guesses in below. He's on the move.
He's going to get some lunch.
He's going to get some lunch, yeah. The grand total on today's haul is a...
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Well, I went to see a financial advisor this morning, and he told me I needed to start eating dirt.
Why?
Because there was money in real estate. And he convinced me that I might have a little bit of a drinking problem. And he said I was just pissing money away.
My gosh.
So, I guess I'm going to recycle the money that I pissed away and see if I can invest in some dirt. So, it's one of them days.
So what are you doing?
Scraping the bottom of the barrel.
Well, I can tell that, but you're not quite at the bottom yet.
I know. I done got to the bottom of that in there. But how you helped in some of this investment issue.
I did. With my Sprite Zeros.
Productivity. I just don't know how productivity was. But this ain't all. If you look behind you, there's 5 more bags over there.
Yeah, but this is about 2 years worth of can collecting. Not like we've just accumulated this in a quick. And look, we've got 2 right there waiting to go. So yeah, we're going scrapping today. 5 bags sitting right there waiting.
We'll take y'all along and see how many cases of Diet Pepsi we can buy. Girl.
Yeah, how many Diet Pepsis and Sprite Zeros we can buy with our scrap collection here. Are you hauling anything else off today or just cans?
Just cans. I gave all the scrap muddle away to a guy around the corner over here. He ain't come get it yet. I don't feel like struggling with all
Well,
that.
that means he doesn't want it, so we'll just take it. And there's a hole in that bag right there, so you can't fill it all the way up.
Don't tell me.
Well, it'll come right back out the side.
Well, that's really what happened to my shoulder, if y'all been wondering. I was crushing all these cans and turning them all up. Wore my shoulder joint out. And if you look, I wore my britches out, pulling my wallet in and out, paying for them as I bought them. She can insert a clip of our last mega haul.
If I still have it.
It was just 1 or 2. Neighbor come up here and he says, what happened? Did a Pepsi truck wreck somewhere? I said, no. He said, where'd you get all these from? I said, the Goodwill, they felt sorry for me.
We found them on sale at a pallet sale location.
Don't tell them that. They'll be going to get my Diet Pepsi.
No, they don't have any more. You have them.
Yeah, but if I do get some more, we're going to have to beat the crowd off.
I didn't give the location.
Oh, okay. Don't.
It could be anywhere from here to Georgia. That's where we travel back and forth to.
We've been to Florida once, twice.
You would drive all the way to Florida for Diet Pepsi.
Anyhow.
So yeah, y'all guess how much money we're gonna make off of these cans today.
Each bag has average between 20.1 pounds and 22 pounds in them. So there's 5 bags over there, and there's at least 2 bags right here. So we're gonna make a whole $50.
At least we're going that direction anyway.
And we're gonna spend a whole $30 in gas.
We're not making a special trip.
We don't live near no recycling place, so we have to drive over an hour to get somewhere.
They're just getting in our way.
Yeah. Every time the wind blows, you gotta pick them up. So the wind comes in this back door right here, and you walk out of the office and you get cans laying at your feet. First 1 or 2 times, I thought squirrels had drinking problems, and they were throwing cans out in here. But then I realized it was just me that was nuts. Oh.
I agree with that.
Wait a minute now.
You finally admitted it.
You're supposed to be the camera person, not the agreeing person. There's a bunch of friction in these cans. This causing me to just melt. Good. I guess I'm going through withdrawals. I'm seeing all my past buddies go in a can. Bye, buddies.
As long as you don't turn up the can and get the last sip out.
No. Kind of ridiculous. A devastating disaster there if you do that, because there's all kind of critters in here.
Yeah, I know. Well, these two have been here definitely over 2 years because we started putting them in those cans first.
There's a spider in that, and said, give me 5 minutes, I gotta get a U-Haul to move out. She got evicted.
Alright, well, we'll bring you back when we get them loaded and get to the scrapyard. Just an exciting day here. We get to go buy more Diet Pepsis.
I'm gonna go take my anxiety medicine.
No, we can just buy you a regular Pepsi. That'll get you cured real quick.
And the Diet Pepsi don't work. You know, no.
No. My Diet Sprites don't either. But it could be those hamburgers or pizzas we have in between too.
Well, people say sugar is what makes you fat. I don't think that's the problem. I think it's your hands. So, if you want to change your diet, get a kid to feed you that's got smaller hands. You get smaller portions that way.
I guess we'll just be fat.
Yeah.
Fat and happy. There's one bag.
Hang on, I guess you can video me weighing this one. I'll go and turn scale. Get it warmed up.
Oh, you're actually weighing them?
Yeah, it's right there in front of 32. Yeah. You remember how we got beat at it?
A couple $1,000.
125,000 pounds of steel in Georgia.
I do. Hey, who's using my eBay scale? Daggum. Already got it dirty. We're gonna take this off, go get some parts and some more Diet Pepsi, and we've still got to come back and work on that thing.
This one's gonna be a little lighter because there's a hole in the bag.
Yep, there was in the side.
Don't you turn it on, get warmed up.
Oh, I didn't listen.
Alright. What do you think it's gonna weigh?
I have no idea.
Drum roll, blah, 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 blah. I say 20 pounds. Woo, son. 20.9. Okay. Come on, put your guesses in the description below and how much total we're gonna have. And weight.
That's 6 bags. Your arms are going to be hurting tonight from toting those bags over here. Now you got to load them in the truck.
One more bag left in this barrel, so there's going to be 7 bags. And each bag contains, like I said, between 20.1 and 22 pounds. 22 pounds is the heaviest one. So put in your comments below.
And we'll weigh this one when we get it packed up.
And if you win, we'll give you the next bundles of crust cans to haul off for a prize. We had a Suburban down in Georgia we crushed. And from the floorboard all the way to the ceiling, and I was taking and pushing them in. It done got so many in it. When they took it to the crusher and went to crush it, they mashed down about that far, and as far as they go, it has so many cans in it. Then they charged me for trash because they had all aluminum cans in it. So
Which is crazy.
my $500 car went down to $150 car. And then they paid the yard workers to go out there and dig all the cans out of it. After they crushed it. So all the cans was compacted even more. Which that was exciting to watch.
We just didn't get paid for all of it.
Yeah. I was getting out of Georgia, I didn't care.
You care now.
Yeah.
But you know you got ripped off.
And he was a buddy. Good thing we don't drink alcohol. Well, it was all about that base. Now it's time to avoid this.
You tried. You gave it your best. Dang, I see some mountain lightnings in there.
All the silver bullets.
You must have drunk that when you first moved up here to get acclimated to the mountains.
Yeah. Something like that. Oh, it's bending over. Man, it's been my $25 on the chiropractor visit.
Probably.
To go to the crack doctor to get my back fixed. Oh, I'm gonna sit down for a minute. Yeah. There's a Red Bull. They give you wings. Kidney something. Kidney stone.
Surprised there's not more Dr. Peppers in there.
I know one thing, this door's shut. It's hot right here in this corner. Oh man, all right, well.
Weigh this out while I've got the camera running.
We gotta finish loading her up first.
Oh, I thought you were finished.
Done now.
Okay.
Woo! And right there on the tire, look behind you. There's two more that's just waiting.
That's what I said. Those are both full though, so we can throw them out when we get there. We can take those with us.
That might break them down there. Be able to afford to. Alright, what do you think this one weighs?
15.
I say about 20.
You've been picking them up, so you would know.
Yep.
Oh my
20.
gosh, you're good.
It wasn't all well on scale. First go around.
So
Okay.
7 bags total. Shoot, we might go to Texas Roadhouse tonight with all this money.
What are you gonna do? Buy a menu?
We'll just go get a pack of bologna.
Excuse me, sir. We just recycled our cans. Can we get a table and sit down and rest?
Can we just sniff the steak cooking?
You got any finger food?
Alright, well we'll bring you back when we get it loaded and get to the scrapyard. Alright, we're loaded up and we're headed to the recycling center, our scrapyard. See how much these Diet Pepsi and Sprite Zero cans bring. Y'all hang on. We thought we saw the A team there for a minute.
But it was the B team instead.
Just our luck.
Dang. He'd be getting on up the road.
Well, we caught up with the B team. They're patching holes in the road here, just making a mess, but we caught up with them.
Oh, potholes.
Why don't you get out there and help them shovel?
I don't know. I'm hoping this Penske truck has brakes.
Oh my gosh, yeah, we got one coming in hot behind us.
I might just get
I
out
don't
and
want to turn around too fast.
jump off the mountain. And he parks in the middle of the road.
Gotta love these mountain roads. Not me anyway.
Yeah, this dude up here is hardcore. He's from Indiana. He got everything that you could put on a van.
He's an offlander.
Yeah.
What do you call him?
Yeah.
What did they call the Onyx challenge we watched? Overlanders.
Overlander.
One of them landers.
He landed.
Right in front of us. Well, we've made it to CMC Recycling. We've never been here before. So he's going to go inside and see what we got to do to get these cans out of here. Wasting a bunch of garbage bags. Oh no. to dump them, I can rip the bag open. That's a lot of cans. That is crazy.
Yeah.
I think it's gonna be full. We got 2 bags left. Look how much nutrition we have put into our bodies over the past 2 years. Yeah, right. We've heard the diet ones are worse than drinking the regular ones because of the additives. We've got used to the flavor of the diet though. At the shop. We didn't even bring a jacket. Wind's blowing, cloudy. I'm about to freeze. I had my jacket and left it.
ticket.
Yeah, it says no standing in the doorway.
Yeah.
Can't let her. She can stand there at the door doing it. She can pull it up. Don't get it close enough. I can't let her in the building.
Oh, that's fine. I don't want to go in there anyway.
Yeah, they big on the insurance.
We're about to get our big money over here.
No, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
There it went.
Okay.
Big money, big money. I
Who
feel like we're on
guessed how much it weighed, and who guessed how much we're going to make off of it? Put your guesses in below.
That's all you have to do.
That's all you have to do. Look at the water money. All right, y'all put your guesses in how much money we made and how much everything weighed. And we're gonna pull right here and video the magnet running. He told us we could do that. But it's CMC Metal Recycling, and they're up here in Crossville, Tennessee. They got the big crane magnet. They're picking up the scrap debris off the guy's trailer. Because they don't pick the trailer up in the process too. Some of them, they can control the voltage of the magnet.
Man, we need them shelves up there in that truck.
No, we don't.
Yeah, we do.
It's missing a leg.
Them things are expensive.
Yeah, that's the reason we can't go to junkyards and scrapyards and wind up taking back home as much as we brought in.
We can fix that. Let's take it back with us.
Yeah.
Look, there's just some chairs over there for our deck when we get in the house.
Yeah, no.
All we've got to do is sandblast them and paint them.
There's a ceiling fan over here in this one.
A ceiling fan, heck yeah. See, we can come right here and furnish the whole house.
Yeah, do junk remodeling. All right, well, this roll-off truck's fixing to move, so we'll pull up one space and get you some more video. He's on the move.
He's going to get some lunch.
And he's going to get some lunch, yeah. Yeah, because it's 12:30.
Wonder which drive-through he can get through in that.
It's actually an hour behind over here. So it's 1:30 our time, but it's 12:30 their time. Sorry for the wind noise, but the wind is blowing like crazy over here. That's how it works here at the junkyard, the recycling place. All right, would y'all have your guesses put in for the amount of money? Hurry up, get your final guesses in. We're fixing to get on the highway, so I'm fixing to tell you. All right.
I say 142 pounds, and Dodge is about to hit us coming in the wrong way.
The grand total on today's haul is 136 pounds, and we made 86 whole dollars.
Woohoo! More than the 50 we thought.
There's your tally. Like I said, if you're in the East Tennessee area and you're looking to recycle, they said they'll work with anybody any way they can, and that there's their business name and their phone number.
CMC.
So give them a holler. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, like, share, and subscribe. And you never know what adventure we're gonna go on next.
Yeah.
And
We make scrapping an adventure.
yeah, we're on the Facebook. We got Dixie Customs and Dixie Customs Extra. So check out the channels. Like, share, and tell a friend.
We're gonna go home and bag these two up for the next haul.
Yeah, we already got to start on the next episode. Thanks for watching.